How to fix Peasant or Rebel is crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library and right click on the game. And then you will need to open up the properties, and in the launch options you will need to add -dx11, then go to installed files and verify the game files. And once this is completed, you can close Steam. Next, you'll need to open up your browser and navigate to this link, which you can find below in the description. And from here, you will need to download and install the redistributables. You will need the 86 and the 64, both of these. And once you finish the installation, this will require a computer restart, so make sure to do that. And right after the restart, you will need to update your GPU drivers. So if you're using an NVIDIA GPU, you will need this NVIDIA app installed on your computer. Otherwise, if you're running AMD, you can use the AMD software. And from the drivers section, make sure to check for the latest updates and install it. And once you've installed the updates, all you need to do is right click on Steam and run it as admin. And then just launch the game from your Steam library. And this should solve the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.